She's unstuck. Are you ready? Come on. Show us. You've got to do it. We'll just stay here for a couple of seconds. Did she just turn? I stopped looking because I thought, well, if I'm not looking, she might move. And can you come this way? Can you come this way? Let's turn you. Come on. Come this way. Can you? Come on. Stop talking. Stop talking and start walking. Hey, come on. Just do it, please. Just to show Dada that you just love the walker. And Bill Phillips, we gotta set it to Bill Phillips so he can see that you just are enjoying this walker he gave you. Thanks, Bill Phillips. Say thank you. Thank you, Grandpa Bill. Alright, I'm gonna stop looking again and see what happens. Yep, there's another baby on the other side. Come on. In the laundry room. Are you ready? Come on. Mama's waiting. There she goes. Are you stuck now? Oh, that's where you wanted to go. It's not that you just went to a random place. I mean, that's where she wanted to go, so. Alright, say bye-bye now that you've shown people what you can do in that walker. A little smile. A little smile. Alright, she's busy now, so we better get going.